Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We're at CES 2020 with Brandon from Canon, and we're going to talk about the M200 Content Creator Kit. What do we have here?
Yeah, so the M200 is a great camera for anybody that's starting out, trying to do photo or video. It's a interchangeable mirrorless camera, so you'll notice that there's no mirror there, and very, very lightweight, compact, travel-friendly lenses. This is the 15 to 45 millimeter lens, which is a very, very wide field of view for a kit lens.
Sure.
And with it comes this grip. This grip is gorgeous. It actually comes with a Bluetooth remote, which is detachable, runs on Bluetooth, so there's no need for line of sight or anything like that.
Okay.
When you click the button, you can take photos, and on the side of it, there's actually a switch to do video recording options. So with this, you're able to go and start and stop your video clips.
Okay.
By adjusting this, you can actually rotate this grip all the way around, so you can shoot forward, backwards, left, right, and you can even tilt it. And in this orientation, by pressing this button, I can actually go and do vertical video, which is a first for the M series here. So there are two cameras on the market that currently do vertical video for us. That would be the G7X Mark III and the EOS M200. Okay. So with this, a vlogger can literally press this button right here, start and stop their clips, and do vertical video whenever they'd like. Awesome. So what we have here is the tunnel of the journey of light, rather, and we're actually having people walk through here and do vertical video composition and then download them to their cell phones.
Excellent.
Yep.
All right, some more great products from Canon at CES 2020. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we've got a lot more coming up.